Track 2.32. Unit 7. Review. Exercise 6.
Hello and welcome to the book program. Our special guest this week is Jenny Paxman. Jenny, this week we're looking for books for teenagers. What have you found for us?
Well, this week I want to recommend a collection of fairy tales. The book is called Kazakh Fairy Tales, and it's by Yuri Serebriansky. I think the stories are really appealing for teenagers. Fairy tales are often aimed at young children, but not this collection. The stories are all very exciting. You want to keep reading.
That sounds good.
Yes, there is lots of magic and plenty of fantastic and fascinating characters, good ones and bad. So I think most teenagers will really enjoy it.
Have you read all the stories in the book?
Yes, I have, and I've really enjoyed reading them. In fact, I think this is one of the most imaginative collections of fairy tales I've read. It's also a very attractive book, especially the front cover. I really like that.
Well, thank you, Jenny, for that recommendation.